Okay, so there you have it, the Bamakey TP-III. Finally, I can stop my search for a portable CW paddle that's worthy of a home in my POTA Go Bag. If you follow this channel, you know I've been trying to find a good portable paddle and have not had the best of luck. I did find the Begali Expedition, which I absolutely love, but one problem: I like it so much I don't want to take it out of the shack. It's now my main key and has a permanent place on my desk. So if you're looking for a portable CW paddle, do yourself a favor and forget about the plastic 3D printed paddles or the Chinese all-metal paddle or the dirt cheap plastic paddles. Go ahead and bite the bullet and get yourself a Bamakey TP-III. Granted, they're expensive. Shipped, mine was $189, but I think it's worth every penny. It's small, lightweight, agile, and built like a tank. I love the little box and strap that come with it for storage. This is the key. If it were lost or stolen, I'd immediately email Marcus and see how fast he could get me a replacement. I can tell you in most cases, you're going to be waiting a while to get one of these if you're in the States. There's such a demand for these paddles that whenever Marcus gets a batch together, they go out the door pretty fast. But don't hesitate to contact him. His customer service is top notch and he's a really fine fella. That's one of the only downsides I've come across. It takes a while to get one of these paddles. Other considerations I might note are that it does not come with a cord. That's no biggie, just be aware that you'll need to provide one. Another thing, it has a pretty low profile, and depending on your mounting surface, the paddle may be uncomfortably low. It does have really strong magnets on the bottom, so if you do choose to mount it, it'll stay in place. It's not a problem for me, as I'm really comfortable holding it in the closed palm of my left hand while I operate it with my right. Overall, I'm really pleased with my purchase and highly recommend this to anyone wanting a high-quality portable paddle. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope you have a great day.